Hello friends, how to create logo in MS Word. You can see that a logo. I'll tell you how to create logo in MS Word. So just watch it. Okay, okay. So okay. First go to the shapes and choose circle donut and just use circle and okay and fill the shapes any colors you want, any type of shapes. Just look at this shape fill, shape fill, gradient, textures, pattern you can use. Now you can see that yellow dots and shrink this to adjust how much width you need. Okay, so are you getting my point? Now after that we make some text etc. Star shape I want to add, so just go to the shape and use 24 stars. Okay, so you just watch it what I'm doing. This is the shape. You can design a logo. It is very simple to you can design a logo without Corel Draw and Photoshop using. It's good, it's very good. We can create a logo without hesitate. Just follow my instructions and do it. So I made a shape. Just fill it the colors. Go to the shape fill and color if you want. Outline color you can add which color you want. Okay, this is outside of the wait. Okay, now this is the design pattern. We can merge both of the images for group, so it will not move here and there, both of the separate. Right after that I use once again a donut chart, donut for good creative things. Always you have to go to shape and use to that one. Okay, now again now I will have to write the name. So what should I do? First I just want to see the image size थोड़ी कम हो जाए. Okay, okay, now that's good. Okay, so equivalent of the things. Okay, now just hold the click and group, so 3 images it will be same. Now what should I do? Go to the insert tab, click the word art and choose the any design you want. Suppose you want to write ABC public school quota. Yeah, either ABCD you can write. font size, synchronize, bold, and OK. So you can see that image in the back side. So just click the image and go to the format button and click the text wrapping and in front of the text. Now just sorry, wait, just hold down and come and then drag it, move it. Now move it. इसको करना है बस जब तक ये इसमें सर्किल में नहीं आ जाए. ओके, सो आप देखेंगे कि ये अपने आपके इस सर्कल में बराबर से आ चुका है. ओके, उसके बाद इस पर राइट क्लिक करके हमें इसका कलर चेंज करना है. फॉर्मेट वर्ड आर्ट पे जाकर टेक्सचर्स, पैटर्न, फिल इफेक्ट ले लीजिए आप. फ्रॉम सेंटर कलर you choose red and you can see that image just lightweight, sorry, image is right and color is a blue and the a special shading you can see that, but we need dark color. So just go to the format word art, fill effect, textures. We can take textures, we can patterns. Okay, that is the good pattern. I think this is the name of the school. Now after that we can add a small text star. Always you know that which type of shape you want to add. Small, just like a star. We can put a star. Okay, simple star. We can put Control C, Control V, and one star is that side. Okay, we just fill the shapes, shape fill, gradient, texture. We can add. Now another name. Just you can see that one space. If you want to write a name of that site, so you just go to the word art once again and choose anyone. This one you can write RAJAS, sorry, Rajasthan, bold, and okay. Now wait. Now click, then go to the word art, text wrapping in front of the text, and after that just take the down. Okay, and right click, format shape, layout should be centralized. Okay, 1 minute, layout should be centralized. Now we can show this image, sorry. Okay, वेट थोड़ा सा होल्ड करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये जो वर्ड है ये वाला, इसको मुझे करना है सिंक छोटा, क्योंकि इसको मैं जितना छोटा करूँगा उतना ही मेरे लिए भी अच्छा है. 1 मिनट, इसको पकड़ने में नहीं आ रहा, ये कहाँ गया भैया, ये रहा. इसको पकड़ने के बाद हम सेंट्रलाइज कर लेंगे और क्या करेंगे, फॉर्मेट में जाएंगे. फॉर्मेट में शेप चेंज एक ऑप्शन होता है, इसको क्लिक करेंगे, थोड़ी शेप छोटी करेंगे और इसको इस तरह से हम घुमा देंगे. सो आपने देखा राजस्थान, किस तरह से राजस्थान बन रहा है. बस थोड़ा सा फॉन्ट साइज और मुझे कम करना होगा इसका। थोड़ा सा आपने देखा किस तरह से राजस्थान इसमें आ गया है। अब हम इन सबको मर्ज कर लेंगे, सारी इमेजेस को ग्रुप, और उसके बाद एक लोगो हमारा तैयार हो जाएगा। ठीक है, नो मोमेंट। और आप चाहे तो इसमें जैसे कि ABCD कंप्यूटर क्लासेस, तो स्कूल है, वी कैन राइट अ बिल्डिंग, वी कैन ऐड स्कूल just like a monogram. We can use, okay, this is logo, so delete. So it's very simple to use that type of images. We can draw just text wrapping behind the front of the text, we can add. Okay, now this is the logo of the school we can create. Now we can change the shape of the fill shape, gradient, textures, we can write down any patterns. Okay, so this is the, and hold this one, and group and control S. So logo design in MS Word, it's very simple. Now we can use a shape of that side, we can just scatter our logo. Now one insert the this, and this shape we can use. Okay, and a text we can write, sorry, word art, sorry, not leave that, just shadow effect. Okay, no, one more, I want to see the different type of shaded images we can add. It takes path to learn. So we can write a text and we can formatting, sorry, we can set the colors, we can change the combinations. Okay, and we can see the 3D effect also. Okay, now set the fill of the text. This is the way we can design a logo. Okay, so this is the type of logo we can design through the MS Word. Hope you like it. Thanks.